Hey you, welcome to this video, and today I will help you out with an automatic sugarcane farm in Minecraft. So this farm is actually my favorite design in terms of sugarcane farms, because you can basically make it as big or as small as you like, and it's completely automatic with an automatic collection system as well. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna mine out some dirt. And let's make ours this big, just for the sake of it. Then we're gonna mine out some more dirt, another row right here. And 2 blocks right here. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill this part up with water. That's not how to do that, I pressed Q on accident. We're gonna fill this up with water all the way. Then we are going to collect our sugarcane and put it in the middle right here. So we've successfully placed the sugarcane. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna place a double chest right here. And some hoppers leading into the chest. So to place hoppers effectively, always make sure you press your shift key and then click the hopper to whichever side you want it. So I clicked the chest and now it's facing into the chest. So these ones you want facing into each other. So you have a nice collection system right here. Pretty much now if I drop a sugarcane in the hopper, it should make its way into the chest, as you can see. So now we're gonna finish up the rest of the farm. We're gonna remove this bit right here first. We're gonna build a little bit around it like this. One layer of your preferred block. Make sure not to cover the water because the sugarcane will stop working. Gonna place 2 more blocks on this side, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our pistons and make them face the sugarcane. That's most of the farm done. All we now need now is some observers facing the sugarcane too, just like that. And we're gonna place some blocks right here. Now this is the tricky part, because now we need to connect the hoppers and the pistons via redstone. So we're going to place some redstone dust on all of these tiles right here. Now the farm is pretty much already set to go. All we need to do is place some sugarcane to show it off. And as you can see, it shoots the sugarcane right into the chest right here. So now we're just going to finish the farm, make it look somewhat good. Like that. And right here, and then we're just gonna place some more right here and some glass to cover it up. And the finishing touch is going to be these couple blocks right here. And you can cover the whole thing up with glass, but it's not necessary. So now every time you have some sugarcane, it's going to shoot into the piston and get into the chest. And now you have a fully automated sugarcane farm in Minecraft 1.21. I hope this video helped you out, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.